I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Mac VPN only way. Open System Preferences, Open Network, click the plus to add a VPN interface, choose the correct VPN type, enter the server address, account name, and authentication details, then apply and connect to verify the tunnel. Use trusted servers, strong passwords, and enable a kill switch option if your client supports it to protect your privacy and data. Choosing the right protocol matters for speed and security, so test what works best for your network and threat model. IKEV2 gives excellent stability for roaming, WireGuard provides modern high performance, and OpenVPN is widely compatible. Avoid PPTP due to weak encryption and known vulnerabilities. Also check DNS leak protection and whether the client supports a kill switch to prevent accidental data exposure when the VPN drops. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for pleasant sound and simple voice control while you work through setup steps. It makes long config sessions more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want background music or hands-free timers. Now let's get back to the video. Advanced settings can harden your VPN use, so review them carefully in your client. Turn on DNS leak protection and IP6 handling to keep queries inside the tunnel. Use split tunneling selectively for apps that require local IP access, and keep certificates or keys renewed before expiration. Adjust MTU if you see fragmentation or slowdowns, and consult logs for authentication errors so you can quickly resolve connection failures without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.